everyone, comment nous tout le monde yo. Okay, today we are going to make upside down pineapple cake with passion fruit juice. Oh my god, it is so good. Nous pas faire faire renverser avec jus ananas. To start off, what we're gonna need is egg, butter, the upside down the pineapple juice. We're gonna need also the passion fruit juice and 1 lime. Okay, to start off, we are going to melt our butter. I'm gonna put the recipe into the description box down there. We're gonna melt our butter with our brown sugar. Make sure that it melts real good. If you want, you can add rum in it. I didn't have rum, so I just did it just like that. It was perfect also. After doing that, we are going to put our melted butter with our sugar. We're gonna put it into the pan. We're gonna use a big muffin pan to do the upside down pineapple cake in. This is the muffin pan that I use. You're gonna see how I am going to put the little syrup that I just did with the sugar and the butter. I'm gonna put it in the bottom of the pan. Then I am going to place the pineapple and the cherry in the middle of it. I forgot to let you guys know that I let that pineapple ring sleep into the passion fruit juice, which I mixed with a little bit of brown sugar so it wouldn't be too sour. I let it sleep overnight so that juice can get into that pineapple ring real good. Now this is how I am going to put the pineapple ring into the pan. You can use your hand because I was doing it for family member. I started doing it with the knife, so I use my hand. As long as you wash your hand and your hand is clean, it's fine. Ok, pour me faire frire renverser ça, moi te quitté ananas dormi dans jus grenadier pour te capable bon goût que et moins besoin et ou capable gens que moi mettre ananas yo youn pa youn dans muffin pan nan pour capable bien sauter, m'a mettre cerise dans mi-temps tout. We done putting our pineapple and our cherry. Now we're gonna move on to the recipe, making the batter. Okay, to start off, we are going to put flour, nutmeg. We're gonna use our baking powder. We're gonna use our salt so we can make the batter. I already said that I'm gonna leave the exact measure into the description box down there. Pour nous commencer, n'a mette farine, n'a mette poudre levée, n'a utiliser muscade, n'a utiliser citron, n'a gagé citron pour nous mettre là-dedans. M'a quitte information pour nous dans description box là en bas pour nous capable exact mesure là. Là nous fin mélanger tout ingrédient nous yo. Okay, m'a montrer nous qui je nous pas faire step by step. Okay, as you can see that I add 2 eggs and I'm gonna add the milk. If you see it's 2 eggs, the recipe I double it. That's why I put 2 eggs in whatever measurement that I'm using. I'm using 2 of everything. Now I put the passion fruit juice and I'm also going to put the pineapple juice. I add almond extract and vanilla extract in it for that extra nice flavor. Ou ka wè ke mwen mette des œufs mwen mette la dan parce que mwen double recette là, mwen mette lait whatever mezi ke m'a utiliser mwen mette 2 fois la valeur parce que recette là doublé. Ou après que mwen mette essence vanille la dan. Après ça, on va le mélanger li et ou pas trop petit parti ça, moi mettez sucre avec beurre, moi mettez tout ensemble pour me capable mélanger. Kounye là moi fin mélanger yo, moi pral mettre yo sous tête pineapple one. Now I mix all my ingredients. I'm done mixing them. I'm going to put the batter on top of the pineapple rings. Meanwhile, I open my stove. It's heating up and I put it on, I think I put it on 320 because I didn't want the stove to cook it too fast so it can be real moist and not be dry. Moi ouvri four, moi quitter li chauffer sous 360 degrés parce que moi pas vle pour li cuit li trop vite pour gâteau en pas trop sec pour capable gen moist. I left them under the stove for like 29 to 30 minutes because the stove was not open too high. So they came out all perfect. Moi te kite en bas four pour 30 à 29 minutes. Okay, this is how they look. So beautiful, so tasty, so juicy, and that extra that pineapple flavor mixed with the passion fruit was perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and share it with a family, a friend. See you guys next time. If you guys would like to see other videos, please let me know below. Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine. Mais qui j'ai été sauté, vraiment bon parce que Grenadier